हेलो गाइड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग। इकोसिस्टम आज का हमारा टॉपिक है जो आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे। वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है। इकोसिस्टम में बी डिफाइन एज एनी यूनिट विच इंक्लूड ऑल द लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स, दैट मीन्स बायोटिक कम्युनिटी इन ए गिवन एरिया इंटरेक्टिंग विद द फिजिकल इन्वायरमेंट। तो एग्जाम्पल क्या हो सकते हैं, जैसे वाटर है, एयर है, soil है, by means of food chain and the chemical cycle resulting in the energy flow and biotic diversity and the material cycling within the system. And also define as ecosystem may be defined as the system resulting from the integration of all the living and the non-living elements of the environment. Okay. और हम डिफाइन कर सकते हैं इंटीग्रेशन बिटवीन द बायोटिक कम्युनिटी एंड द एबायोटिक environment and function as a system. The interaction involves the transfer of energy and materials among the organisms. Ecosystem has no size limitations, and they may be large as desert or as small as the drop of water on a plant leaf. Plants, soil, bacteria, soil, nutrient, air species, and the light and the temperature are the part of interactive system within a garden. Now next is the ecosystem, yani ki what is the concept of the ecosystem. Ecosystem is a region with a specific and the recognizable landscape from such as forest, grassland, desert, wetland, and the coastal areas. The nature of the ecosystem is based on its geographical features such as the hills, mountains, plains, rivers, lake, coastal area of the island, and it also controlled by the climatic condition and such as the amount of sunlight, the temperature, and the rainfall in the region. Geographical, climatic, and the soil characteristics form its the non-living components. Okay, these features create the condition that support the community of plants and animals, and that evolutions has produced to live in these specific condition. And the living part of the ecosystem is referred to as is a, its biotic component. The natural functioning of the environment provides both goods such as food and other products that are brought and sold and services and which our society depend upon. For example, ecosystem store large amount of carbon in plants and soil and they regular water flow and water quality and they stabilize local climates. And these services are not assigned the financial value but society nonetheless depends on them, and ecosystem process are the underpinning of these services. Photosynthesis, the process by which plants capture carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and create the new growth. The plant and soil process that recycle nutrients from the decomposing matter and maintain soil fertility, and the process by which the plants draw water from the soil and return water to the atmosphere. And these ecosystem processes are affected by the climate and by the concentration of the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Diversity of the living things in the ecosystem is itself an important resource that maintains the ability of these systems to provide the services upon which society depends. Many factors affect the biodiversity, including climatic condition and the influence of the predators, parasites, and the disease. The disturbance such as fire and the other physical factors, human introduced climate change and the conjunctions with other stress and extending the major influence on the natural environment and biodiversity. And the influence are generally expected to grow with the increased warming. Now next, the result of the instability of environment, यानी कि कुछ रिजल्ट हैं इंस्टेबिलिटी ऑफ इन्वायरमेंट के, हम उसको डिस्कस करेंगे कि जो इकोसिस्टम है दैट प्रोसेस सच एज दीज आर द कंट्रोल ग्रोथ एंड द डिकम्पोजिशंस हैव बीन अफेक्टेड बाय द क्लाइमेटिक चेंज. तो फर्स्ट पॉइंट है लार्ज स्केल shift have the occurred in the range of species and the timing of the region and the animal migration and are very likely to continue. Second point, fire, insect, pest, pests, pests and disease pathogens and invasive and weed species have increased and these trends to likely to continue. Desert and dry lands are likely to become hotter and drier, feeding a self-reinforcing cycle of influencing plants, fire and erosion. Fourth point, coastal and near-shore ecosystem are already under multiple stresses. Climate change and the ocean acidification will make worse these stresses. Arctic sea and ice ecosystem are already being adversely affected by the loss of summer sea ice and further changes are expected. The habitats of the some mountain species and the cold water fish such as the salmon and trout are very likely to contract in response to warming. And some of benefits ecosystem provide to society will be threatened by the climate change and while other will be enhanced. ये रिजल्ट है इंस्टेबिलिटी ऑफ द इन्वायरमेंट। ये आज का टॉपिक था, ध्यान से आप इसको सुनिएगा। अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो पसंद आता है तो लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करिए मेरे चैनल को। थैंक यू।